Hi, in this video we'll learn how to solve system of linear equations. Now, what do you notice in this equation that in both the equations you have y solved. So y is already solved in both the equations, and what we're gonna do is we'll use the substitution method, so we can just substitute one variable for the other. Now, what you have to do is you have y equals x minus 5. Now, this looks more easier. So I'm going to pick this value of y. I will use this expression. I will use this value of y, and I'll plug in this value of y in this expression. Now, it doesn't matter which expression, which equation, which value of y do you choose. You can also choose this value and just plug in the value of y in this equation. But this time, I'm just choosing this equation because this is easier for me to solve. And I will plug in this value of y, which is x minus 5, into this equation. Now let's see what we get. So let's plug in x minus 5 into this equation. So in place of y, I'll write x minus 5, and this is equal to 2x plus 3. Now this is just a multi-step equation. I can solve it. We just have one variable in this. So we'll bring all the variables to one side and all the numbers to another side. So let's bring x to the right-hand side. So I'll subtract x on both the sides. Here x and x will cancel out each other. 2x minus x will be just 1x, and I can write that as x. And then I'll bring down plus 3. On the left-hand side, I'm left with negative 5. Now I want x by itself, so I'll subtract 3 on both the sides to get rid of 3 from the right-hand side. Subtract 3. Negative 5 minus 3 will give me negative 8. And this is equal to x, since positive 3 and negative 3 will cancel out each other. So the value of x is equal to negative 8. I've got my value of x. Now I can use either of the equations to plug in the value of x and get the value of y. So again, since this equation is easier to solve, I'm going to pick this equation because I don't have to multiply anything in x, right? So x minus 5, and I'll plug in the value of x in this. So y is equal to, substituting negative 8 minus 5. So y is equal to negative 8 minus 5 will give me negative 13. So that is my final answer. X is equal to negative 8 and y is equal to negative 13, and I can write that in ordered pair. When I write ordered pair, I have to write the value of x first, and then I can write the value of y. So this is my final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.